Game of our Saturday triple header here at the Quezon Convention Center. This is Javi Palanya joined by Coach Mike Perez, and Ms. Diana Llanes is at courtside. Coach, another exciting set of games. While itong Imus Brotherhood, they lost their last game against the Batangas City Tanduay Rum Masters. As Doligon gets the first basket of the night, tried to go to the corner, I think to Kalisay, but that was picked off by the defense. The Brotherhood score on the other side. All 4 points in the game belonging to that man, Mark Doligon.
Really good energy para dito sa Imo so that they can go back to their winning ways. What a kick.
Kawilan is left wide open and he rattles home a three. Welcome back to the MPBL.
Ichi.
Caspe has it. Kicks it out to De La Cruz. He leaves the follow through. That's a three-point shot para kay JV De La Cruz.
Nice.
The Brotherhood get a nice setup there in the half court. JJ Caspe finishes that play.
Dito kay JJ Caspe, talk to him. And as you see, JV De La Cruz knocked down another three. Boy,
well, he's feeling it to start this game.
Right.
Coach Britt para sa kuponan niya sa season na ito. Winnable naman daw ang last few games nila. Nahirapan lang daw sila because they did have a slow start. So when
impressive start here in this game, and the rebranding is off to a fine beginning as well.
Actually, I agree, except for the couple of losses that they've had.
Shot clock's down to 5. They turn it over, and Abdul Sawat will have an easy walk in the park.
Well, JP Belenchon, you know, two on-the-ball situation. The first one creates separation. The second one shows you where that free guy is.
Rick Kaunan scoring on the reverse. Pero dives for it. It goes forward. Sumang now.
Oh, wow.
Sumang hanging in the air. That's super Sumang for you.
Oh, yeah.
Russell Westbrook.
Yes.
He may not be, you know, his full MVP self, but definitely you still hold a lot of value.
20%. And while he was warming up, you could see the pain in his face as he's doing it. I guess, player lang talaga ayaw makamiss ng laro and wants to...
Romantic movie. Abdul Sawat attacks middle, finishes with a left hand.
Laking bagay rin talaga ni Abdul. He had 12, 14 last game.
Jason Credo gets in between that pass. Credo gets the basket to go. The defense for Zamboanga. Sinasabi ng mga coaches na kung fa-foul ka lang din, sulitin mo na.
Oo. Pero huwag mo pa-shootin.
Yun ang James Una. Belenchon flashes. Belenchon
Nice
drops it off. Basibas gets the 2 points.
And when Coach Britt talked about...
pulls it out. Belenchon takes the 3. Belenchon knocks it down.
An assist prevented the turnover.
To back down, ito si JP Belenchon, di niya maurong. Sawat attacks, Pinoy step in the lane. Finish with the left hand, Abdul Sawat.
Sawat doing real good.
56%, coach, 10 out of 13 from the field.
Yes, and a lot of those attempts have really been, you know, open looks. And JP Belenchon in this...
So James Una results in a turnover. Soriano ahead of the pack, and Soriano will score. Gets the foul as well. A chance for one more para kay Errol Soriano. Galang kay Carlos Sumabat Jr. Michael Are will launch, and he was hit. Jed Ong is the guilty party for this for sure. He wants a challenge on this, but they don't have any more challenges against Zamboanga Sikat. Michael Are at the line for 2 shots. First one is good, and a couple of assists in 10 minutes of gameplay. Zamboanga Sikat, while Imus is only shooting 2 out of 3 so far. They haven't been going defensive. Caspe, Kawilan kicks it out to the corner. Kalisay leans in and gets the shot to go.
Kanina, pinag-usapan natin yung mga assists
here at the Quezon Convention Center, in which we are playing at for the first time this year. Raymark Acuno knocking down that short jumper. Zamboanga taking advantage of Imus not setting up on defense there. Kalisay scores on the break para sa Zamboanga. That one's long. Kawilan quickly to Michael Are. He has Kalisay running ahead of him, and Kalisay scores another deuce.
Good thing.
Got ejected due to hitting Arthur Kalisay early in the first quarter. JJ Caspe gets a basket inside.
Yeah.
5 points in the game para sa kanya.
Miraculously able to steal that rebound away.
Oh, quick trigger there by Super Sumang. And he ties the game at 37.
And he wanted that shot. I mean, he rose up with a really good rhythm.
Guys down, that's Kalisay, but Akuno knocks a shot down para sa Imus Brotherhood. Dangerous pass picked up by Altamirano. 4 seconds left. Rojas manages to scoop it up and in.
This is going to be a good topic come the halftime.
That's Raymark Akuno and Ryusei Koga to begin things here for Imus in the second half. But Abdul Sawat knocks down the first basket of the third quarter para play a lot in the first half after starting the game.
Yeah, I was going to say the same. Ngayon pa lang siya pumasok and immediately kita mo yung impact agad kay Kent Arriar. Rebounds.
4 minutes and 43 seconds in the first half. Sawat turns the corner, gets to the rack, and makes the basket. Abdul Sawat.
One thing you can't do is just provide a straight.
Couple of bounces. Goes out para kay Akuno. James Una rams into the defense and makes the basket. Third period. Sumang looking to extend the lead here for Zamboanga. That shot is pure para kay Roy Sumang. Kawilan loses it. The Brotherhood with a chance to score on the break. Belenson, sinausaw pa.
I'm sure siya rin nagulat na pumasok yun.
JV for 3. That one's long. Ball ends up in the hands of Kent Arriar, who finishes on the reverse. He's been the most productive actually.
And he's 2 out of 2 from the field. Ito si Kent Arriar so far in the third quarter.
Well, what about Abdul Sawat? Also showing us the touch from the outside. Shot clock winding down here for the guys in white. Sumang gets the step. Sumang makes the pass. And the finish right there para kay Abdul Sawat. De La Cruz, the bounce pass to Belenson. Doesn't use the screen. Belenson launches from the outside and gets the triple. Looks at the shot clock. Belenson trying to get away there from the defense and still manages to get a pass inside to Errol Soriano. Son waiting for something to develop here para sa Imus. Kaunan set the screen pero di rin ginamit yan ni JP. Belenson goes for the 3-point shot and knocks it down. Michael Are calling out instructions from atop. Rojas, leaner is good.
That's twice already here in this game. We've seen better for Imus.
Oh, that's a turnover for the Brotherhood. Kalisay gets the basket there. 61 to 57. Of our Saturday triple header here at the Quezon Convention Center. Javi Palanya, joined by Coach Mike Perez. Ms. Gianna Llanes is at courtside. Edsel Rojas really helped them establish this advantage they have right now. Arriar, elbow jumper. That's good para kay Kent Arriar.
Well, I think it's important to note kung saan
para kay Super Sumang. Caspe, corner pass. De La Cruz knocks it down.
Don't look the ball over to Zamboanga, and Zamboanga really exploiting situations like those. Kent again.
Arriar, that jumper is pure para kay Kent Arriar.
Hindi mabigyan ng pagkakataong umiscore itong Zamboanga.
Icha Altamirano puts the ball on the deck, leaves it for Rojas, and he breaks the deadlock quickly.
Well, that's the other thing as well, where and you know, points and rebounds and just the effort to try and play just like how Ichi is right now. And again, missed shots, forced turnovers, they run the other way.
The gripper.
Yeah, kasi dumating yung point na na-check na si Turco pero nagkaroon ng panibagong option ang Zamboanga in that game, and Rojas really rose up to that occasion and grabbed the upper defense over when he saw the switch, dumped it inside to Kent again. Turnover na naman ito, tatakbo sa kabila, most probably they're gonna score. And that's been the trend.
And they certainly did. It's Altamirano, coach of Zamboanga Sikat's under-21 team in the MPBL D-League.
Oh, yeah?
Yes.
Oh.
Maraming salamat, by the way, to Boss Charles Quimpo for that piece of information. As Kent Arriar scores there for the Brotherhood. Mismo.
Kay Coach Britt, she go up against the the senior MPBL team of Zamboanga.
Rojas. Oh, knocks it down. John Edsel Rojas. Ariar playing the 5 and Basibas at the 4. Una, oh, he's walloped there by the defense of Quinta Ariar, but look who gets the basketball back and scores. Edsel Rojas. Sumang, his pass picked off. De La Cruz now leading the break. De La Cruz stops and pops. Three-pointer is good para kay JB De La Cruz. And he makes it. Una gives it back to Chino. Mosqueda, di mapakawala ng defense. Wow, what a pass there. James Una finishes. Mosqueda deliver it. 2-possession ball game here. Caspe has it. Can the Brotherhood respond? Ariar, that's his money spot. Kent Ariar makes it a 2-point lead again. In the venue here in Quezon, Imus down by only 2 points.
Setup.
Belencion for 3 for the lead. JP Belencion gives the Imus Brotherhood back the advantage, 80-79.
Well, on that play by Coach Brit Raruma. Misdirection right there, low stagger, but really, yeah, the choice between JP Belencion and JB De La Cruz, both really good at it. Either way you go, it's just a read of where that defense is going to come in late, and JB says, I got it.
He's been carrying this team on in the second half. James Una forces up a shot. Excellent defense there by the Brotherhood. And there's a foul given up by James Una. JJ Caspe with that big smile on his face.
Yeah.
Belencion goes to Koga. And there, Altamirano goes for the foul. At gusto pa nga ng review ng coaching staff ng Imus Brotherhood. They felt Koga cans the second. 1 out of 2, 81-79. This Imus is not yet in the penalty. Sumang trying to go quickly. Sumang for 3. Sumang, no. Una couldn't get to it. Mosqueda with a last-minute heave. And that is gonna do it. The Imus Brotherhood, I must say, Coach, this is an upset.
Yeah. And with lower percentages in the third, good comeback.
And the comeback was on the heels of the performance of this guy, JP Belencion. Just when we thought Imus could not anymore come back in this game, JP Belencion hit big shot after big shot.
And that final 3 on that play by Coach Brit Raruma, where they ran that little row stagger, which freed him up.
Bet. Imus Brotherhood winning this game against the Zamboanga Sikat, pinning the first loss on the squad of Coach